Hello everyone, today together we make and we learn how to make caramelized fruit. As you see, like glass shiny, very simple way and easy recipe. You know how to make all kind of fruit. Even you can mix together, as you see, strawberry with apple or pear with tomato. You can use every sensitive fruit and it will success. You see, it looks like glasses. Let's together. Please subscribe my channel and make video and share if you like the video. For me, I make a big quantity. It's 1 kilo sugar, 1 kilo water, 1 kilo 600 milliliter water. So if you want to make small recipe and a little lemon juice. If you want to make small recipe, you can make 100 milliliter water, 160 gram of sugar, and that's small recipe. As you see, when it's boiling, just keep 1 minute boiling and cool it down. You can remove, put in container and keep in the fridge. Must be very cold. Then you have a slicer like this, or a slice machine, or you cut by your hand. We make two type together. You know, strawberry very sensitive. We slice it. We keep in cold syrup, minimum for 3-4 minutes. You can use apple, or banana. Very small slice or very sensitive. After you keep in syrup, as you see, you keep it into plastic, vacuum plastic bag. And this is the way how to crystallize only sensitive fruit. But if you do like apple or pear, you don't need to do it. Lemon slice or orange slice, you don't need to do it. This is only for the sensitive kind of fruit. We line it up in the plastic bag. The same syrup you can use for some another fruit. This I show you. Also, if you don't have a slicer, you can use your sharp knife, must be sharp, and you can adjust the size you want for your caramelized fruit. So you can use a slicer. If you're not happy, you can use your own knife, and feel free to make any tiny slice you want. With this recipe, with this process, it will success with any kind of fruit. Here we go. We put into vacuum machine. 37 seconds. From type of vacuum machine is maybe 2 seconds extra, 3 seconds less. You try with 37. After that you see the other process. When it's ready, you see. This amazing way to make the crystallized fruit, and they're really nice to save the thickness and the smoothness of the fruit, and you will have amazing result. With this recipe you can use oven or dehydrated unit. You see, it's already transparent and very nice. This one I use Silva sheet and normal oven, and I will use dehydrated machine. So you can do if you have dehydrated or not. With this recipe, it comes the same result. Now we line the fruit into the silicone. Be sure that silicone is really washed by soap, so to avoid any fat underneath. And I have another way to do it. You can cover it with plastic wrap and then you line up the fruit. Here, if you want one shape and it comes all round like in kiwi, it's easy to make it all one shape with cutter, round cutter, or you keep it like natural shape. It's up to you to make which one is nice for your presentation or for your plate. The same, we dip in syrup 3-5 minutes. Then we strain from syrup. Our syrup is medium, it's not heavy, it's not light, it's between. We line it up in vacuum bag. The same process for banana, for strawberry, for any sensitive fruit. Example, if I use apple or pear, lemon slice, you don't need, you just dip in syrup 3-5 minutes and then you line it up in dehydrated tray or in Silva sheet to the oven. The same process, we vacuum. All the same process. Now we use dehydrated tray. You have different shape. Kiwi round and kiwi natural. But with other fruit you don't need to vacuum. Only the sensitive tiny fruit full of humidity. The process for dehydrated trays, we put in dehydration almost 2.5 hours or 3 hours in 60 degree. 60 degree for 2.5 hours. It will be amazing shiny glass. Here another method, we vacuum like pear with tomato, and tomato alone, as you see, is amazing. Tomato is nice fruit, and you can slice tomato cherry, and you can have two kind of fruits caramelized, and your plated dessert will look so beautiful, so elegant. The same way, to slice banana is better to use the skin. After that you remove the skin, because banana alone is so sensitive. You see, I slice it with the skin. After that I remove the skin, I dip in the syrup. As well, grape and then I dehydrated. I vacuum first, then I dehydrated. I try once without vacuum machine, and this lemon is fantastic. Thank you again to being in my channel. Please make sure your comment is very important for us, and if you make like, it's help us to make more video. Thank you.